Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. Today I wanted to do an unboxing perfume video and briefly get into perfume for me in my past. So I haven't bought any perfume in about 4 years because I started to prefer lotions and body butters instead of perfumes. I did have a collection, and after I used it all, I just never repurchased or began a new perfume collection. Until recently, I started to think that, yeah, maybe I'll kind of revisit having perfumes. So I like light scents, and I like sophisticated, kind of sexy musk scents, like for the evening. I ended up picking up 2 different perfumes today. And so the first one that I'm going to talk about is Burberry Brit for Her. And this is it right here. You guys can see it's kind of hard to see with the plastic and everything. And so this scent, the Burberry Brit by Burberry, is a floral, fruity fragrance for women. Burberry Brit was launched in 2003. The nose behind this fragrance is Natalie Garcia Zeto. The top notes are almond, lime, and pear. The middle notes are candied almond, sugar, and peony. And the base notes are vanilla, tonka bean, amber, and mahogany. So I just wanted to say, or give you guys a little bit of background of when the perfume was launched and the different notes for those of you who, I don't know, pay attention to the notes, because, there are those of us who know what we like and we like it, and that's just the end of it. There are those who, know the different notes. And yeah, so this is me unboxing. Sorry it was down below. And this is what she's looking like. And yeah, so I've never had the Burberry before. I am going to, gonna smell her. Ooh, I know people, I know different YouTubers talk about this scent. Yeah, I really like it. I love vanilla. So a lot of the body butters that I use are vanilla, and a lot of candles that I use are vanilla. So I definitely can pick up on the vanilla. And, as far as it being a floral fruity, it doesn't seem too floral to me. When I think of floral, I don't know, I think of something completely different, like extremely sweet and smelling more like roses. But, in fact, that may not be. Yeah, I like it. So this definitely is a good purchase. I'm really happy with this one. And then we'll move on to the second one. So the second one that I got is the Jimmy Choo Floral. So this is it right here. This is the box. I've been having problems, guys, with focusing. It's just, I don't know, it's just, the light is just too bright and it's just bouncing off. So I'll just go ahead and start unboxing. I'll read about it. So Jimmy Choo Floral by Jimmy Choo is a floral fruity fragrance for women. Jimmy Choo Floral was launched in 2019. The nose behind this fragrance is Louise Turner. The top notes are nectarine, tangerine, and bergamot. Middle notes are magnolia, apricot blossom, and sweet pea. And the base notes are musk, ambroxan, and woody notes. So I'm excited to smell this one. So this is the bottle. This is terrible that I have such a hard time opening them. Okay, there we go. This one I can't really smell. I'm gonna spray it on. Okay, first this one smelled like really, like it was really concentrated, and I couldn't get a good smell, so I'm gonna let it just air a little bit. and then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys my thoughts. But the first one for sure I like. I like the Jimmy Choo Floral also. I needed to smell some coffee grounds because doing the two perfumes together, I definitely love the bottle. Yeah, and I do like the scent. I love both bottles, so these are the two that I have. I really like them both. These are definitely good purchases. I haven't heard anybody talk about the Jimmy Choo online, but yeah, I like them both. It just took me a minute to smell or get the second one for it to dry, and it wasn't so concentrated, and I can really get, you know, a better smell of it. This is a good start to my collection, so as I get more, I will add more on. Another fragrance that I'm interested in trying is the Replica. I've heard a lot of things about that one, and then also the one that Rihanna wears, I heard is it just smells really, really good. So I'm interested in that one. There were a few perfumes that I researched and I just wasn't sure, you know, just trying to figure out what I like, what the notes are really important, because like I said, I wasn't like really into what the notes were. I knew what I liked, and when I smell it, I know it. So yeah, but knowing the different notes and what's the middle note and the top note, I mean, that's really interesting, and I really have enjoyed researching different perfumes for you guys. So I will continue to add on to my collection, and again, these are my first two that I'm starting back over with, and I'm happy with both of these purchases, and I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below, guys, what perfumes you're wearing. I'm really interested in knowing, so I can kind of like, you know, steal your perfume. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.